Alright, the third and fourth terms of an arithmetic sequence are 13 and 18 respectively. What is the 50th term of the sequence? So an arithmetic sequence means that we are adding the same amount each time. And we call that amount that we're adding each time the common difference. So to figure out how to do this problem, we need to write an equation that will help us find any term in the sequence. We could say, hey, we know the third term, we know the fourth term. We can figure out the common difference and keep going until we get the 50th term. That is a way you could do this problem, but that will take you a very long time. It is not going to be fast, and it is not the most efficient way. So you only want to do that if you have extra time left over and you do not remember how to write the equation that can help you find the nth term. So to get from 13 to 18, we know arithmetic sequence, that vocabulary means we're adding the same amount each time, and here we can see that that amount is 5. So 5 is our common difference. Now we need to figure out the 0 term in the sequence, so we need to go backwards. So to get from term 3, which is 13, to term 2, we don't want to add 5 because we're not moving forward. We want to subtract 5 because we're going backwards. So 13 minus 5 is 8, 8 minus 5 is 3, 3 minus 5 is negative 2. That brings us to our 0 term. Then to write our equation, to find any term in a sequence, so T of n just says any term in the sequence where n represents the term number. You take the common difference, which we represent with the variable d, and you multiply it by n, which again is the term number, and then you add the 0 term. So this is kind of like a linear equation. Your common difference would be your slope, and your 0 term is the y-intercept. So when we do that, we get that T of n equals 5n minus 2. And now we can just we have our equation written that will help us find the nth term, and we want to find the 50th term. So we're going to substitute 50 in for n. So T of 50 equals, this left-hand side just tells us, hey, the 50th term in the sequence is equal to 5 times 50 minus 2, which is 248. So the correct answer is A.